If you observe this stock, immediate next day it's gone up 7.5%. If you observe another example, this stock is gone up 17.5% immediate next day. So let's understand how we can capture these big moves by using Heikin Ashi trading strategy. So first what I will do is I'll go to the candlestick patterns and I'll change from normal candlestick to Heikin Ashi candles. So this is a Heikin Ashi candlestick chart. Heikin Ashi won't represent the original value of the stock price. It represents only buyer's strength or buyer's momentum and seller's momentum. Understanding Heikin Ashi is very easy. Heikin Ashi comes with the only 3 candlestick pattern. One is Heikin Ashi buying candle, open is equal to low along with the green body. And number 2 is Heikin Ashi selling candle, open is equal to high with the red body. And number 3 is Heikin Ashi Doji. Heikin Ashi Doji means both the sides wick formation will be there. Upper shadow and lower shadow, both the sides wicks will be there or shadow will be there. That we call it as a Heikin Ashi Doji. So basically 90% of the times if any stock wants to change from bull to bear, bear to bull, or correction to momentum, momentum to retracement. So most of the cases it will come for the downtrend couple of days and will create a doji or both the sides wick formation will be there. Then it changes to the green side. I mean the retracement again it come for the downtrend or trend continuation. Again it will create a doji and will go for the higher side. If you observe any stock from sell to buy or buy to sell, in between 80 to 90% of the times doji formation will be there. But now we discuss something unique. So what we will do is, if you observe very closely in this particular move, so what is happening? Heikin Ashi creating continuation of the sell candles. 1, 2, 3, 4 selling candles is created. And next candle is a green candle, Heikin Ashi buying candle. In between there is no doji formation. This we call it as a aggressive buying shipment. So whenever from sell to buy without any doji, Heikin Ashi candle is shifted. From there, immediate next day, we will expect very good momentum. Let's say the Glaxo stock on 14th February, we got a selling candle, and 17th February, we got Heikin Ashi buying candle. In between, there is no doji. Now we'll move to the normal candlestick pattern and let's check how much momentum the stock is given. You can observe here, this is a Glaxo stock on 17th February, we got the Heikin Ashi buying candle, shipment, aggressive shipment. And closing price is where we basically expect our entry, and immediate next day the stock is appreciated more than 17%. So now what I will do is I'll take the 2 layouts and we'll check a couple of stocks. In one layout, I'll keep the Heikin Ashi candlestick pattern, and the other layout, I'll keep the normal candlestick. As I told you, Heikin Ashi won't represent the original value of the stock. It represents only the buyer's strength or buyer's momentum or seller's strength or seller's momentum. So we'll keep this tab is a Heikin Ashi candlestick chart, and the other tab will keep it as usual as a normal candlestick chart. If you observe this particular stock, continuation Heikin Ashi selling candles was created. At one particular point, aggressively Heikin Ashi buying shipment was happened. From selling candle to buying candle in between without any doji. On 21st Feb 2025, we got the confirmation that Heikin Ashi is aggressively shifted towards the buying side. So on the closing prices on 21st February before market closing, we tried to look for our entry, and you can check here, and this is the 21st February, and immediate next day we got a slight gap down. From there, even though if we missed at the closing time, even next day we got a opening price as a confirmation, and immediately it hit the upper circuit of 7.52% from the opening price. So now the question is, how do we identify this kind of a setup in all the stock which is trading in NSE India? For that, I have developed a scanner. So if you observe here, Heikin Ashi momentum trading strategy, just one single click, the scanner get executed. You can easily identify the stocks. By clicking on the backtest results, you can check the previous data and you can do your own backtesting before taking any trades. So if any one of you are looking for this complete scanner, you can contact me on this number or email ID. Definitely, I'll share the scanner link with you guys. Thank you so much. I wish you all the very best for your equity trading journey.